So as you can see, there's going to be no testing today on Icon. We've got the some scaffold in there, doing some work up there, so there's going to be no footage of the coaster going around today. As you can see there, they are doing some work down there, just putting some flooring down, some green grass-like flooring, which is obviously going to be the theme around this part. And he's just tidying up the queue line, doing something to the queue line there. A couple of guys working in there. So yeah, that queue does not look big enough for the ride. So yeah, this is going to be a walkway up to the shop, and as you can see there, they're doing some more work on the footpaths, etc. down in where Icon's going to be. So yeah, here's the Icon shop, which has just opened the other day. Looks like a couple of nice shirts in there already. And here is, I'm not quite sure, is that going to be the exit there? Got a guy doing some work there. See, here is the first airtime hill. It's going to be crazy, going through the big one's loop. Let's put that through there. It's coming from the first launch, and then coming down is going into the second launch area. These lights, amazing. Let's have a quick look in there. Just doing more stones, etc. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here, some sort of construction tour maybe. Looks really, really good. I mean, just look at that aspect there. You've got the big one, you've got Icon, you've got the Big Dipper in the distance. So yeah, really, really impressive. Can't wait till this opens. See how much these are. £5.95.